Buy mobile data abroad usually means airport kiosks, right? Kiosks or language barriers, unclear pricing. Excuse me. Airalo removes all of that. Now, Airalo offers country-specific plans, regional plans like Europe, Asia, etc., right? And global plans. Here's the rule: one country and country plan, multiple countries, regional plan. So let's say I'm heading to Saudi Arabia, right? You can see there is an offer here for Middle East and North Africa for broader coverage. Okay, and choose the data size wisely. Be realistic. Maps plus WhatsApp, low data, say 10 gigabyte for 7 days, right? Social media plus video, higher data. So choose wisely here. You can always top up later. And then check the plan validity. Each plan has data limit and time limit. Example, I chose here 10 gigabyte for 7 days, and this is the cost. Okay, unused data expires. Plan accordingly. And then what you're gonna do, pay via card or supported methods like PayPal, right? eSIM delivered instantly. No shipping, no waiting, right? Cheap data isn't about price per gigabyte, it's about avoiding roaming traps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.